Hello, welcome to DarisNap.com. In this video you are going to see how to set stop loss and trailing for the strategies. Taking example, here you are going to see how stop loss and trailing works in short strangle strategy. First step is to select expiry and index percentage. After that you need to confirm the strikes of calls and puts in next tab. Once that is done, on next tab please set quantities. Then in advanced settings, set the stop loss in activate SL%. The given stop loss will be triggered for both call and puts individually. This stop loss defines the exit of legs when it reaches the given stop loss value. Once the price reaches the stop loss value, orders will get triggered. After setting your stop loss, you can clearly see the price where the stop loss exits will happen for both call and put legs individually. This gives an idea about your stop loss exits for both legs before initiating the strategy. Then you need to set market stop loss. At market stop loss, the orders will be automatically exit at current market price once it reaches maximum given market stop loss limits. For stop loss exits, at activate SL, orders will be triggered with best price. At market stop loss, orders will be executed at market price once it reaches given value. On next part you need to set trailing for the strategy. For trailing part, you need to set the activate trailing %. This is where your individual legs will activate the trailing when price reaches its given value. Once price reaches its trailing value, trail exit % value will be activated. To put it in a simple way, trailing gets activated in profit legs once it reaches the given value at trail exit %. And then trailing moves on as per the price moves on its direction. For your clear understanding, you can see the given example how trailing works. Then take profit % is where the maximum desired profit you wish to close the legs. At this level, market orders will be created to close once price reaches its value. Once both stop loss and trailing is done, you can start the bot. Then open orders will be created. Once the orders gets filled, it will be moved to open positions. And then in the active strangles tab you can see the open positions. And then you can view current strategy trailing and stop loss numbers by clicking info button. Here you can clearly see, the put side stop loss has triggered and exited once it reaches its given stop loss value of 20%. Once stop loss got triggered in one leg, you can see the trailing has activated in call leg as it reached its given trailing %. And the trailing price gets updated in trailing take profit price. Trailing take profit price will get updated for every rise of trailing activate % when price moves in your desired direction. It gives clear idea where the price is trailing currently. Once the trailing is done, strategy gets exited and you can view in the completed strangles page. Thank you.